Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think we're in a wave Y. I think this is an A, B, C of Y. What's a wave C should be a trend on shorter time frames. I think this is going to make three waves up to finish off what I think is three waves for W, three waves for X, and three waves for Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is the A of Y, this is a B of Y, and this right here would be a wave 1 of the wave C of Y. This right here would probably be a wave 2 of Y, and eventually it's going to go up and finish off this pattern, making a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C, which is a C of Y. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily, I still think this is a nice downtrend right here. I still think this is a wave A. I still think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up, probably a wave B. I still think this push down is a wave C. Now a wave C could definitely end at the 61.8, make a higher low of a wave A. It definitely does happen, but I still think until proven otherwise that this is going to go down to at least a 78.6 to finish off this wave C. This uptrend right here is a wave 1. This is an ABC of 2, and then eventually it's going to keep going up for that big wave 3. Like I was saying before, 1, 2, 3 of wave C. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely pretty impulsive up as you can see, but we do not have a breaker structure, we don't have a higher low, we don't really have any reason at all to think this move up is going to be a complete trend reversal. If anything, I think this move up is going to be a crutch into this last move down, and eventually it's probably just going to keep on trending down, all part of this wave 2. So going right down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down, which is very, very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, perfect, almost perfect 5 ways down. A little bit of a higher low on the wave 5, but that happens a lot. Now, most other dollar pairs look like this first push up is just a wave A, so this is probably a wave A too, even though it's actually 3 waves up. It's probably going to make more of a proper ABC correction like this, probably at least up to the 50 or the 61.8 before we get that bigger push down. So if you are a scalper, if you do trade the very short time frames, then you could definitely be looking for longs as scalps, but I definitely would primarily be focused on the downtrend because all the higher time frames are showing us that we're in a downtrend. I would be looking for the end of a correction. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.